I am finishing on my poop. I just made another one.
You're finishing your poop. You just made another one. Well, what Levi means by that is he's playing with Play-Doh poop, where you can make all these fun little characters. It comes with all these little Play-Dohs, and it also comes with all these little accessories and attachments. It's really fun and cute. So we actually made one that looks like Cookie Monster. What do you think about this? Is this fun?
Yeah.
Yeah? How old are you, Levi?
5.
Levi's 5, and this is for 3+. So it's Play-Doh. It's a lot of fun. Super cute. All the pieces are well made and just good quality. Are the tools easy for you to use, or are they hard?
Easy.
Okay. All right. So, what do you think of this? Do you think it's really cool, or if you can tell people to buy it, would you tell people to buy it?
Yeah.
Yeah, you think this would be fun for other kids?
Yeah.
Okay. There you go. So, here's a little mini review of one of Levi's new toys. He's just very into it right now. So, okay. All right. See everybody later. Bye.